Hello, Medicare Advantage risk adjustment operators, innovators, and learners. Welcome to another weekly learning series of the Hughes Academy Risk Adjustment Made Easy, the Medicare Advantage kind. I am your host tutor, Dr. Prince Bewa, and I want to welcome you to another learning series. I want to take the opportunity to remind you, if you are part of the inaugural team that received the email to the Risk Adjustment Success GPT, that you will get on and start using it as we start to roll this series out. This is very exciting and it's amazing to see how far we've come. So I just want to take this short period to remind you, if you signed up initially and you have received the email as part of the inaugural members that are using the Risk Adjustment Success GPT. It's very exciting. Otherwise, we'll be moving on to what we have been learning throughout this month on the episode EDPS duplicate errors, the Encounter Data Processing System duplicate errors. And our corresponding cheat sheet that we have for this month is the Medicare Advantage Risk Adjustment Basic 7 EDPS duplicate errors. And you can download your free cheat sheet copy on the Hughes Academy website, which by the end of the training, I'm going to show you how you can get your copy. So please stay with us and let's get into today's. Over this month, we have been looking at 98300, which is the exact inpatient duplicate error. We looked last week at 98315, which is the link chart review duplicate error. And today we are looking at 98320, which is the chart review duplicate error. And what is the chart review duplicate error? The chart review duplicate error, similarly to the ones that we have looked at, is also a header level error. A header level error. And we have explained that over and over, so you can check into the notes there. We have links to other places that you can, other Hughes Academy videos that you can learn more on that. So it's a header level error and it's a reject error. It's a reject error. So the same way you can also look at other videos that we have explained the different kind of errors that are in the EDPS system, and it applies to chart review records. So it's a chart review duplicate error. So it doesn't apply to encounter data records. This is chart review records only. And because it's a duplicate error, you will also see it on your MAO001 duplicate error report. And you will also see it on the MAO002 EDPS processing disposition report. So if you get 98320, it's a chart review. It's only corresponding to chart reviews as a header. And these are the things that you should know about it as you resolve this or as you prevent this error. What is the resolution strategy for the error code that we are looking at right now? Linked and unlinked chart review records should not have the same data element. So because they are duplicates, that means it's something that are the same, or the system perceives them as the same based on some algorithm. So knowing this and testing that beforehand before you submit is good. Or even if you get the errors, looking at how best to resolve them so that you're able to submit those data on time. So beneficiary ID, the header date of service, the associated ICN, which is also the linked ICN, whichever you have linked it to, is the original claim control number as well. Diagnosis codes on the record, and also there is the medical record number, which if it is 8 is a chart review delete. If it's 8 is a chart review delete from here. And if it's not 8, then it's not a chart review delete. So it's a chart review add. And therefore, you want to double check that this is also not duplicating, or the same data elements are not there for the record that has already been submitted and accepted. So that is the resolution strategy. Benny ID, date of service. If there is an original ICN because it's linked, then the diagnosis code and the medical record number. So you want to make sure these data elements are not the same as a record that has been already accepted, submitted and accepted in EDPS. Otherwise, you will get this error. And once you resolve it, you're able to submit them correctly on time, getting your submission in for your risk adjustment purposes. And as you resolve through them, if you have any questions, you can reach out. I hope this is simple and helpful. for you and your team as you deal with this duplicate error. As I said before, this is the corresponding cheat sheet, and you go to www.thehealsacademy.com/resources. And I'm going to quickly navigate there that you can download your free copy of the cheat sheet. So you go to the Heals Academy, you go to resources, and you can navigate here the Medicare Advantage Risk Adjustment Basic 7, EDPS duplicate error. And you can download a copy of the cheat sheet. Has 9300315 and 320 that we just talked about today. So you can download your copy from there. And also, if you are not on our mailing list, I will gladly encourage you. You'll get a free signature gift here that explains the different kinds of data that are used for risk adjustment in Medicare Advantage. And you are able to get your copy and get also on our email list so that you do not miss anything that we are putting out there for free, and also some of our cool tools that are helping you to learn and to elevate your processes in the Medicare Advantage risk adjustment. If this has been helpful to you, please like, please share it, please subscribe, and comment. Let me know, reach back out, let me know if this has been helpful to you and your team, and we look forward to catching back up next week as we finalize with our last duplicate error. And because of that, we are not having a live event. We'll have a video for the last duplicate error as we have been learning. So thank you so much, and I hope that you have a good rest of your week. Bye-bye then.